moms and dads, boys and girls, and dogs of all shapes and sizes. The Danger Rangers present every dog lover's favorite game show, Wheel of Kibble! And here are your hosts, Ranger Squeaky as the lovable Max Toupee!
Get out of here! I love you like my mother! Get out of here! Go on, witches!
And Ranger Gabriella as his co-host, Vanna Bandana!
¡Quick, fast! ¡Venga, rápido! Who wants to play? Wheel of Kibble!
Okay, Vanna, it's time to...
Spin the giant biscuit!
Oh, I must say, that's a mighty big spin for such a tiny rodent, Ranger Squeaky.
Hey, it's Max Toupee, game show guru to you, Slavo.
Oh no, I've been cheesed.
What is the category, Vanna Bandana, my high-flying co-hostess?
Doggy do's and doggy don'ts.
Thank you. And this here is a doggy-do question. Do always use a what to walk your dog?
Always use a what to walk your dog.
No.
Max, everyone is thinking. Perhaps the question is too difficult.
Well, let's hope not, Vanna, because look at the exciting prize package we have for whoever gets it right!
Oh, we have the answer! Always use a collar and leash when you walk your dog.
Yes! Always use a collar and leash when walking your dog! Show him that prize, Vanna!
Jackie wins a different leash and collar for every day of the week.
Okie dokie, all you dogs and dog lovers. That is the sound of the picture round.
Who can tell us what's wrong with this picture?
I think Alice knows.
That girl is running from a dog. You should never do that.
Bueno, Alice. Never run from a dog, or he could end up chasing or even biting you. Be a tree or be a log. Don't move.
All right, now everyone knows how to avoid dog bites. But you know, there's lots of cool stuff to remember about having a dog.
DangerRangers.com, a safe place for kids to learn and play.